To a tutorial section brought to you by CleanScript Group. Today we'll be talking about advanced page numbering using Microsoft Word. For this tutorial session, I'll be using Microsoft Word 2013. This is part of our series in working with long documents using Microsoft Word. For this tutorial, I have downloaded an article that will be used solely for this purpose. Alright, let's get right into it. So this article is a 15-page document, and we're going to be doing advanced page numbering for this document. To do this, you need to use what is known as section breaks or sections. Section breaks are typically breaks and that allow you to isolate or separate segments of a document to allow you to adjust and make changes such that it does not affect other parts of your document. One of the important ways to achieve this would be to use or to show formatting marks. Now when you click on it, you can see these double lines that show. They help you to see how your document is arranged. It helps you to see the spacing, helps you to put and delete whatever needs to be deleted. It shows you the amount of dots, the amount of space that is in your document. So quickly to illustrate how to do this numbering, like I said, we have to use section breaks. I'm going to be inserting section breaks on page 4. Let me quickly get there. Yes, page 4. To insert section breaks, you go to page layout and you go to breaks. There you can see the next page. Here you can see insert a section break. So I'm going to insert one there, and we can see this dotted line. This dotted line shows that there's a break right here. I'm going to insert the next one on page 9. Or page, this is page 8. Okay, that's fine. I'll insert one here on page 8, and there we go. As you can see, section break, next page. One thing I have to say here at this point is this is only possible because we've turned on formatting marks. If I turn it off, every single page break notification goes off. When I turn it back on, everything appears. So having done that, one thing we have to do is that we have to isolate each section. To do this, we have to break the links between each section. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to click on the header and footer, double click on it. And as you can see, it's section 2, but it's the same as the previous section. I'm going to break the link to the previous section. Then I'm going to go to page 3, which is here. So this is the first section, and section 2, this is the second section. And then I'll go to section 3, which is basically after page 8, as you can see here, section 3, and I'm also going to break the link to the previous section. Okay, so we've got 3 sections, section 1 to 3, but I've broken the link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my page numbering. I'm back here at section 1, and I'm going to insert my page number at the bottom of the page. And I'm going to use a plain number, and we can see there it is, I. For clarity purposes, I'm going to format the page number, and I'm going to use the smaller Roman numerals and say OK, and so you have it at I. Now there, as you can see, page 2 still in section 1, page 3 still in section 1, but the moment it gets to section 2, there's no numbering. And that's the reason why we broke the link to the previous section. Now from page 3, I want to have a different kind of page numbers at the bottom of the page. I want it to be accent bar 2. It's shown up, but I want it to be, I'll format it, I want it to have the normal basic 1 to 3. So I'm just going to pick that and I say OK. And as you can see, it starts from page 5. Okay, and then it runs like that, page 5 to 6, 7, 8, until it gets to section 3, where there will also be no page numbering. Now I can decide to allow my document start completely from number 1 again at section 3, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to insert a page number at the bottom of the page. and I'm going to make it bold numbers 3. Okay, and I'm going to change this numbering. I'm going to tell it that, okay, you know what, start from 1. So I'll format the page number. I'm going to make it a basic one, and I'm going to say start from 1 all over. And there we have it. It starts from page 1, and it's going to start that numbering right till the end of the page. Okay, and to change any form of numbering, all you need to do is to format, change the formatting of each page. You can always go there, change the format of the page number, and pick whichever one you want, A, B, C, whichever one, and there you go, AF15. If I don't want that page number, I can change the kind of page numbering it is, and you have it starting from A. So this is basically how to change your page numbering in a document. You close the header and footer, and voila. As seen, you have it it stops at G, A to G for section 3. It's pages 1 to 8 for section 2, and it's Roman numerals for section 1. So this is how you see, when you see in documents, it has for the table of content, it has a different numbering. This is exactly how it is done. So I would like to implore that if you're working with long documents, you need to learn how to do advanced page numbering for all your documents. Should you have any questions, should you have any comments, I would like you to contact us at contact@cleanscriptgroup.com. Visit our website at cleanscriptgroup.com, and our YouTube channel, as well as our Facebook page, which is CleanScript Group. All right, thank you very much for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.